Welcome to TFA Files TV. We are back again with the latest gossip news dziri kupisa dziri kutenderera pa social media. Talent chiwenga chinyomba Zanupf team yevarakasha achiti mauraya nyika, you can't bribe me, munoita chitsotsi. Chii chakadaro chinenge ngozi? Talent ari kudedzera handiri kudzora tsvimbo nokuti gudo rabata kumeso. Tiraya munzwe zvaari kutaura, kudedzera kuti inini handitengeke kaini.
This is said, believers, and the true church will not be quiet. They can't bribe me, they can't threaten me, I will talk. Istimnanga Gwa has failed, he must go. If there's distraction, everything he touches, it dies. He's a cursed man. Right now, if we were going to check the car that this minister came driving, selling that car could give us enough money to buy proper blankets, proper beds and mattresses for this hospital. That's what happens when you have a bourgeoisie government, a government of people with an elitist mindset. It's very sad. Kuti ufunge kuti vanhu ivavapuwa morphine papapa for pain. This is said, believers, and the true church will not be quiet. They can't bribe me, they can't threaten me, I will talk. Istimnanga Gwa has failed, he must go. If there is any shame in him, he must go.
I'm sure mazvinzwira meka zvataurwa naTalent chiwenga ari kudedzera chese chinobatwa naZanupf team yevarakasha. Hapana chinobuda vauraya nyika, asi vanhu vaida kubribe vanhu, but inini handitengeke. Chii chakadaro chinenge ngozi? Thank you.